All right, welcome back to this class. Let's consider deliquescent and hygroscopic compound. First, I will begin with the word hygroscopy. Hygroscopy is the ability of a substance or a compound to attract moisture or attract water from the atmosphere when it is exposed to the atmosphere. So now, this water attracted can happen, it can lead to two things. So it's either the substance become wet, ordinarily wet, or become a solution. That is, it's either the substance become wet or it forms solution. So when the compound just become wet without forming solution, it is ordinarily called hygroscopic compound. But on the other hand, if it attracts moisture from the atmosphere and become a solution or forms a solution, it is called deliquescent compound. So now we can define deliquescent compound and hygroscopic compound in this way. A hygroscopic compound is a compound that draws water from the atmosphere and becomes wet. On the other hand, a deliquescent compound is a compound that draws water from the atmosphere and forms the solution of the compound. Before I start giving examples of both hygroscopic compound and deliquescent compound, it should be noted that every deliquescent compound is also hygroscopic, but not every hygroscopic compound is deliquescent. This is due to the definition of hygroscopy, because the word hygroscopy simply means attracting water from the atmosphere, and both hygroscopic and deliquescent can do that. They can both attract, but in addition to that property, deliquescent can as well form solution of the compound in the water attracted. But ordinary hygroscopic compound cannot do that. And that is why this statement is very, very correct. But now let's see examples of hygroscopic compound and deliquescent compound. These are examples of hygroscopic compound. The first one is copper 2 oxide, CuO. Second one is calcium oxide, CaO. The third one is sodium triisonitrate 5, NaNO3. And finally, we have tetraisosulfate 6 acid, H2SO4, which is the only liquid among the hygroscopic compound. We have many other examples, but these are the common ones. So these are some of the examples of deliquescent compound. We have sodium hydroxide pellets, NaOH. We have phosphorus 5 oxide. We have magnesium chloride. We have potassium hydroxide and calcium chloride. So now both deliquescent and hygroscopic compound can be used as drying agent due to their ability to attract moisture from the atmosphere. However, drying should not be confused with dehydrating. Drying is the process of removing water from a substance without altering the state or composition of that substance. So dehydration can involve change of state or the composition of the substance. But the one we are concerned in this context is drying agent. So hygroscopic and deliquescent compounds can be used as drying agent. Thank you.